In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Shopify candle store. By the end, you'll have a clean theme, products with sizes and scents, payments ready to accept orders, and shipping set so you can fulfill them smoothly. First, open the Shopify website in your browser to get started. From your dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and click Online Store. This takes you to the area where you control how your storefront looks. Next, click Themes. In the theme library, search for Dawn. Dawn is Shopify's free modern theme that's perfect for a minimal product-focused brand like candles. Add Dawn to your store, then open it to customize. Think of this as setting the look and layout, your colors, typography, and the sections that appear on your homepage and product pages. Inside the theme editor, start by customizing the header with your logo and a simple navigation. Keep your homepage focused, a hero image of your best-selling candle, a short tagline, and a featured collection to guide shoppers. Use high-quality photos with consistent lighting so your brand feels cohesive. Adjust fonts and colors to match your label design, and use clear, readable type. As you organize, preview frequently to see how each change appears on desktop and mobile. Now add your products. Click Products in the left menu, create a new product and upload your images. Write a descriptive title and a clear, sensory-rich description. Mention burn time, wax type, and scent notes so customers know exactly what to expect. Set your price and inventory. For sizes and scents, use variants. Add options like size and scent, then list each option value, such as 8 OZs, 12 Rs, and fragrance choices like lavender or citrus. Assign individual prices, SKUs, and stock to each variant. Good photos for each scent or size help shoppers decide faster. Next, set up how you'll get paid. Click Payments. Choose your payment provider and follow the prompts to enable major cards and popular digital wallets. Make sure your business details are accurate so payouts go smoothly, and turn on any fraud protections offered by your provider. Finally, click Shipping to configure how orders are delivered. Decide whether you'll use flat rate shipping, free shipping over a certain amount, or rates that reflect package weight. Keep names and prices clear so customers aren't surprised at checkout. Save your changes, preview your storefront, and you're ready to welcome your first candle customers. Keep refining your theme and product details as you learn what your audience responds to.